Hello everyone and I welcome you all to today's video. Today we are going to discuss the one hot encoding method. It is a feature engineering method used for the discrete data. We are going to understand this concept by solving a question of assignment. My name is Manas Pathak and I'm a student of IIPSD ABV. So let's start. In the previous video, we saw implementation of logistic and linear regression methods in Python and how to calculate various metrics for these respective algorithms. In today's video, the question for today's video is write one hot encoding for the given data. Here we are given this data. The data consists of three columns, which of the first is fruit. The fruit contains the discrete values. Then is the value of fruit, which contains the numerical value, and the price, which also contains the numerical value. So since the first column of fruit contains the non-numeric discrete values, we are going to apply the one hot encoding to this column. So before that, let's first understand what one hot encoding is. One hot encoding is a method for converting categorical variables into a binary format. It creates a new column for each category, where 1 means category is present and 0 means it is not. The primary purpose of one hot encoding is to ensure that categorical data can be effectively used in machine learning models. So the major reason for using one hot encoding here is that most of the machine learning algorithms can only work on the numeric data. Therefore, to implement implement a machine learning algorithm on our data, which also contains the categorical variables, we will have to convert those categorical variables into a binary format, which is done by the one hot encoding here or any other numerical format, so that we can apply certain machine learning algorithms to it and process the data. Particularly about the one hot encoding, in this method, if there are n number of values, n number of categorical values for my column, then I'll remove that categorical variable from my data and add n number of columns instead of it. So the number of columns in my data set increases by n minus 1, and then for each category, if that category is present in that row, then we'll indicate that by value 1, and all other category values, all other column values of category for that row would be 0, where 0 indicates that the category is not present in that row. Now let's solve this. Let's perform one hot encoding for the given data. So now we have successfully performed the one hot encoding here. Let me explain you how we have achieved it here. So for my given categorical variable fruit, I had three possible values, which were apple, mango, and orange. Therefore, I have removed the column of fruit and added three columns instead of it, which are named as apple, mango, and orange. So for each row which consists of the corresponding fruit in that column or in the row, would have the value for that category as 1, and all other columns would have the value 0. Hence, for the first row, since the fruit for it was apple, the value of apple column here is 1 for the first row, and mango and orange are 0. Similarly, we have performed encoding for all other columns, and we have successfully performed the one hot encoding here. The main disadvantage of one hot encoding is it adds several number of dimensions to your data set, which could be costly in terms of processing of data and time to build the algorithm. So yeah, this was all about today's video. I hope you learned something from here. If yes, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.